Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra is being whispered about as the phone that could reset expectations for what a flagship should be. Leaker Anthony has hinted that S26 Ultra is said to feature a 200-megapixel main sensor with a larger aperture, capable of pulling in more light to create sharper, brighter, and more natural results even in low light. Alongside it, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, a redesigned 50-megapixel 5x telephoto with a wider aperture, and a 12-megapixel 3x telephoto make up one of the most versatile camera systems yet. The Edge and Pro models will also benefit from Samsung's push for bigger apertures and smarter sensors, ensuring better clarity across the lineup. On the display front, Samsung is preparing a serious upgrade. The S26 Ultra will introduce a Koi OLED panel designed to bring out richer colors and deeper blacks on a slightly larger screen. A new anti-reflective coating is expected to make visibility effortless, even in direct sunlight, eliminating the common issue of glare and washed-out visuals. These changes mean content, whether streamed, edited, or viewed outdoors, should feel consistently vibrant and immersive. Under the hood, performance will be matched with efficiency. The S26 Ultra is tipped to support 60-watt fast charging, giving users the ability to recover significant power within minutes and reduce the anxiety of running low during the day. Even with this added capability, Samsung is reportedly keeping the body under 8 millimeters in thickness, balancing sleekness with durability. This suggests a device designed not just to impress in spec sheets, but to hold up in daily use. Storage could be one of the most ambitious areas of all. Anthony believes Samsung is preparing to raise the base configuration to 512 gigabytes, with options stretching as high as 2 terabytes. For those capturing 8K footage, working with RAW photos, or relying on AI-powered tools, this would remove the need to constantly offload files or depend on the cloud. It's a move that would position the S26 Ultra as not just a smartphone, but a mobile creative workstation. Design will also play a critical role in how the device is received. The expected lineup includes deep, premium tones such as dark red, navy, silver, and jet black. Classic finishes that convey professionalism and luxury. Meanwhile, online-only shades like mint, rose quartz, and vanilla will add softer, more modern character to the lineup, offering options for buyers who want their device to stand out while remaining refined. Taken together, the leaks suggest the Galaxy S26 Ultra could be Samsung's boldest statement in years, a device that raises the ceiling for smartphones in almost every category. The official launch is expected in early 2026, with the Ultra starting around $1,300 depending on storage and configuration. If Samsung delivers what the leaks promise, the S26 series will not just compete, it will set the new standard for the industry.